What is your name?
My name is Anna, and I am happy to talk with you today.
How are you today?
I am feeling very good today because the weather is nice and pleasant.
Where are you from?
I am from a small town where many friendly and kind people live.
Where do you live now?
I live in a quiet neighborhood with my family and friendly neighbors.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old, and I enjoy learning new things every day.
What do you do for work?
I work as a teacher, and I help students learn English at school.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job because teaching people new things makes me happy.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up early in the morning, around 7 o'clock every day.
What do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I brush my teeth, eat breakfast, and prepare for my day.
Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
I usually drink coffee because it helps me feel awake and active.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit because it is healthy and simple.
Do you exercise in the morning sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I exercise in the morning because it keeps my body strong.
How do you go to work every day?
I usually go to work by bus because it is easy and convenient.
How time do you usually start work?
I normally start work at 8 o'clock in the morning every weekday.
What do you usually do at work?
At work, I teach lessons, help students understand English, and check homework.
Do you work every day of the week?
I usually work from Monday to Friday and rest during weekends.
Do you like the people you work with?
Yes, my coworkers are friendly, supportive, and helpful during busy days.
What do you do during lunchtime at work?
During lunchtime, I eat food and talk with my coworkers.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes chicken during my lunch break.
What time do you finish work in the afternoon?
I usually finish work at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
What do you usually do after work?
After work, I go home and spend time with my family.
Do you watch television at night?
Yes, I sometimes watch television because it helps me relax.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies because they are entertaining and interesting.
What kind of movies do you like most?
I like comedy movies because they make me laugh and feel happy.
Do you listen to music often?
Yes, I listen to music when I travel or relax at home.
What kind of music do you enjoy?
I enjoy calm music because it makes me feel relaxed and peaceful.
Do you read books sometimes?
Yes, I read books sometimes because they help me learn new ideas.
What kind of books do you like reading?
I like simple English books because they help improve my vocabulary.
Do you use the internet every day?
Yes, I use the internet every day for learning and communication.
What do you usually do on the internet?
I usually watch videos, read articles, and talk with friends online.
Do you like traveling to new places?
Yes, I like traveling because it helps me see new places and cultures.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is the beach because it is relaxing.
What do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I relax, visit friends, and sometimes watch movies.
Do you enjoy spending time with your friends?
Yes, I enjoy spending time with my friends because they make me happy.
How often do you meet your friends?
I usually meet my friends on weekends when we all have free time.
What do you usually do when you meet your friends?
We usually talk, eat food together, and sometimes watch interesting movies.
Do you like going to restaurants with your friends?
Yes, I like going to restaurants because the food is delicious and the atmosphere is nice.
What is your favorite restaurant food?
My favorite restaurant food is grilled chicken with rice and fresh vegetables.
Do you like cooking food at home?
Yes, I enjoy cooking at home because homemade food is healthy and tasty.
What do you usually cook at home?
I usually cook rice, vegetables, soup, and sometimes chicken for dinner.
Who usually cooks in your family?
In my family, my mother usually cooks, but sometimes I help her.